bestmonday.com workflow examples, project management, CRM, and more. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you the bestmonday.com workflow examples. What are the different types of workspaces we can create with monday.com, whether it's project management, CRM, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, you can log into your monday.com or you can sign up for free for this project management platform and a CRM. It's a very famous platform with a lot of different workflows that we can create. We can create different types of workspaces with monday.com. So let's get into it. We get a default workspace right here, but you can click on add workspace and create a new workspace of your own. Once you create a new workspace, then you can click on this plus button and it allows you to create a new board, document, dashboard, and choose from templates and more. We're gonna select choose from templates, and here you will be able to see all of the different workflows and boards that we can create with Monday. So let's go with project management first. In project management or work management, we have, content production. In content production, I will be able to create social media planners or project planners and much more. Similarly, we have simple project management here. We have multi-projects. The bundle is made up for project, board, and tasks. We have a multi-project, and then we have agile project management. We can scroll down and we have risk register, client onboarding. Then we have Jira issues overview, a single project, project profile management, and project request and approval. So all of these are under project management. Let's go with a simple, agile project management. So I will select this one. Click on use template and it will show you the workspace for project management. Here we have our agile roadmap. You can see this is the view of monday.com for a project management workflow. So you will be getting different views. We have a main table. We will be getting a Kanban. So the Kanban looks like this. And then we have add view. So click on add view. And you can add a table view, dashboard, chart, Gantt. Then we have cards and file gallery too. So this is what it looks like. You can see the look is actually pretty simple. We can add different assignees. We will be able to add different priorities, tags, and do a lot more with our project management right here. So it's a pretty good workflow for project management because I'll be able to now create a list. Then in each list, I will be able to add different tasks that I want to do. In my task, I will be able to add my team members as well. So how to invite a team member? You just click on the invite option at the top and invite any team member you want to. So with project management, if I have a project I'm working on, I will invite team members and also be able to move different tasks from one project to the other. They will be able to check out the task and do comment on it. We will be able to check the priorities and it will help me overall get my project done in time. We will be more punctual and productive with this agile roadmap. So if you're looking for a project management workflow, then you can simply create one right here. We will also be able to add integrations such as our Slack, our Gmail, MailChimp, and many other applications. We can add them right here to our project management. We will be able to add filters. How to add an item? You just click on item name, enter the task name like this, click on enter, and a task will be created. So it's a pretty good workflow that you should check out. Now let's create a CRM workflow. For that, we can scroll down a little bit and go to the sales and CRM section. There are a lot more other categories such as the marketing, then we have software development, product development, HR, and more. For now, we'll go to the sales and CRM. In sales and CRM, we have marketing activities, customers project, then we can scroll down to the basic CRM, real estate CRM, then we have contact, supporting sales material, and customer onboarding. I will be going with a simple CRM. So select it, click on use template, and your workflow will be created. And there you go. You will get a CRM workflow right here. You can see we have our agile project management and now we have our basic CRM. Within a workflow, you will be getting a lot of different boards. For instance, we have like my contacts. So this is where I will be able to manage my contact list very easily. Just click on the new contacts and enter a name, email address. You will be able to add their company, deals, phone, title, comments, everything. Then we can also create new groups and divide our contacts, such as primary contacts, maybe the managers and something like that. We can create different sections and then manage our contacts better. This is a perfect board to manage your contact. Then we have a deal tracker. So this is where I will be able to track my active deals, my closed won or closed, lost. All of the deals, we can create different sections here. Enter the deals, add their stages, add their statuses, owner, contact, priority, deal length. Then we can add the deal value here, close date, deal creations, everything. So this is actually a pretty good board for the deal tracking. And then we have getting started. And then we have our sales dashboard. So in our sales dashboard, I will be able to check everything. We can add different widgets. So within the basic CRM, we're also getting a dashboard, a visual representation of our CRM board, of our CRM workflow. So it's showing me my, values here. It's showing me my, everything, my deals in a pie chart. Then we're getting a bar graph. We're getting simple graphs, something like this. You can see it looks really good. So this is a perfect and all-in-one workflow that we can create for CRM using Monday.com. All of the different features like this are very rare to find in one platform. Now we'll go to the content production. In content production, we will be getting digital asset management, social media planners. Then we will be getting creative processes. Then we will get new forms, video production, and more. Here, I will create a content calendar. So this is our content calendar right here. Content calendar workflow is good to manage and plan your content, collaborate with your team, track your progress, and your production. If you deal in a business where you create content, then this is perfect for you. In a content calendar, we have a main table, but we can click on this add view and then switch to the calendar view right here. It also gives us the dashboard view, Kanban view, Gantt, and cards. And then, of course, I can invite my team members. So if you have a content manager, a marketing agent, so you will just click on the invite option and invite them all. After that, you can create new campaigns here. Click on the campaign option. So this is like a new section that we have. And here I will be able to keep track of my even social media channels. We can add all of the channels here. We can add campaign owners, campaign brief, the content. We can upload files and documents as well. It will show us the progress. And we can also schedule our content with this content planner or a content calendar. Moving on, we're going to go to these startups. In your startups, you will be getting a product marketing launch, campaign planning. Then we have event management, high-level marketing budget. Then we have A/B testing, single project, and post-event. Here, I will be going to the product marketing launch here. Click on Use Template. In our marketing launch plan, again, we are getting this workflow where we will be able to keep track all of our marketing initiatives and strategies. We will be able to map out our goal very easily and schedule our events, and we will be able to launch a product successfully. Here we have pre-launch, launch, categories created. I will be able to check the timeline, statuses, priorities, and goals. We can also upload files. Then according to that launch, we have a campaign planning too, where we will be able to check our new campaigns and we will be able to add sub items, create a campaign timeline, set up a budget, add our target audience, add our final assets, and more. Then we have marketing product launch here again, and we have the overview. So in overview, we are getting this dashboard again to check out our a visual representation for us to check how our launch is doing. So you can see a pretty good, dashboard. Very, very nice. You can see this is actually pretty good for some people who like to kind of like check their workflow visually. So you can create a dashboard. So within a workflow, you will be able to get the products, the boards, documents, and a dashboard created automatically. So you can check out all of these different workflows on Monday.com. Let me give you some quick examples of other workflows that you can go for. In a template center, we have marketing, documents, we have workflows for freelancers, design, software development, product management, HR, manufacturing, operations, education, real estate, construction, nonprofits, and experts too. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.